Cummins Calterm 5.16 is the most advanced diagnostic and calibration software available for Cummins engines today. Designed with cutting-edge technology, it provides powerful tools for technicians and engineers who demand precision, reliability, and complete control over engine performance. With its modern interface and direct ACM access, Calterm 5.16 enables fast fault detection, parameter adjustment, and performance optimization. It is the ultimate solution for workshops, fleets, and professionals looking to maximize efficiency and uptime. Backed by a 10-year warranty, this software ensures long-term stability and peace of mind. Purchase the latest Cummins Calterm 5.16 now at diagnostic.com and experience the most modern Cummins engine solution on the market today.